It's very sad when people say that, dear, you have to choose this as your career because you don't know what is best for you. We are parents and or we are seniors. We know what is life more than you, so listen and go about it. They just don't give you the opportunity to at least try it. If I, check their point of view, they don't want you to fail because then you'll again will be in pain. But what they don't understand that you just don't want to be that, like doctor, engineer, whatever. You want to be maybe an artist, and in so-called social life, society, a doctor has a big reputation compared to an artist. So your parents or senior says that I'm doing it for your betterment because you'll get respect, you'll get money, you'll get a settlement. I really want to tell you something. It's your life, right? It's your life. You have to decide because you have to leave this until your deathbed. I have seen many people who are engineer now, but they just don't want to go to office anymore. They just feel like I just can't go to. I just don't feel like waking up and go to that office. Just don't like to feel like seeing that work or colleague's face. I just don't want to do that. I want to tell you something. You really want to have some life where every moment you'll be like, I am doing it because I'm getting money. I'm only getting money, so I am doing it. You really want to live your life in this way? Or you really want to enjoy your work? So every day, whenever you're waking up in the morning, you'll feel like, yes, another day, another new opportunity to create something amazing. I'm not saying that being a doctor, engineer or something is bad. You go for it if you love it. You know that Ikigai diagram, right? If you don't know, I'm telling you, it's just a diagram of 4 criteria. First, you have to love it. You have to love it. And second, people also get benefited if they know about your ideas. Third, you also can get monetized through this. And fourth, you have to have a deep knowledge about it. So if you have 4 green tick, so you just go to your parents and tell that, listen, I can earn money through this because these are Ikigai diagram, and see, I know about it, I love about it, I'm crazy about it, and I can teach people also so that they also can get affected well, and through that I can earn money, and people are doing it. So do a market research who are successful in this. It's your life. Once it's gone, it's gone. It will never gonna come back. Your one moment when I started this video, I'm not gonna get that moment back in my life. So it's your life, it's your moment. Do you really want to die in this way, like, what a life, I wanted something else, or something else happened? What I can do? Everything is in your control. Try to understand what you are crazy about. It should be like, if you call me anytime, I'm there because I'm crazy about it. Or else there is no point of earning money. You're not born here just to earn money, isn't this? So you also need to understand why you need to do this work. You have to have that love, that craziness, and through that you should also earn money. So when you will earn money because of the thing you love, that would be a wonderful life. It's your life, it's your decision. Get all these points and tell your parents or seniors that, I can have a great life through this also because I have these proofs. Have a look. Once you will be damn confident about your world, they also can feel it. They will also say, okay. But if you don't even know what you want from your life, or if you can't even tell them that I want it, it's not right. You have to work hard to get what you want, because nobody else will gonna tell you that do this, or nobody else will gonna do it for you. Whatever you want, you can get. The law of attraction. Take a help from that. Do visualization, do everything you can, but live a life what you want, not what people want. Don't be a people pleaser, because it's your life. You have to live it. You have to enjoy your life, not only survive it. I hope this video has helped you. If yes, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification button, because whenever I come online, I always have an intention to share something with you, through that you can change your life, transform your life anytime. Thank you so much for listening till the end. And if you really want to know about law of attraction, then I'm giving a link in the comment box. Just go and have a look. If you have any queries, just ask me and I'll be there. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.